Hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shakesy.com and welcome in lecture number 5. यहाँ से. Hello Udemy, I am Shahzad Ahmed from Shakesy.com and welcome in lecture number 5. Today's I'm going to introduce the phpStrom, which is the powerful IDE for the PHP programming. Okay, if you are not familiar with phpStrom, don't worry, I will going to give you the overview of the phpStrom first of all. Or if you are not comfortable with phpStrom, you can download the Notepad++, or you can also download the Sublime, or it's totally depend upon you which IDE you are going to use. Make sure if you are not familiar with IDE, just go to the Google, write IDE meaning, or you can say IDE. Whenever you write, that means the IDE means integrated development environment. So that's why I'm saying IDE. So this is the basic thing. So you need an editor, in simple words. So this is the editor. It's a lightweight editor named Sublime 3. Okay, I'm also working on Sublime 3, but and also you have the option of Notepad++. So it's totally depend upon. In this series, I'm going to use the phpStrom. Okay. So now I have downloaded the phpStrom from jetbrains.com. You can go to your jetbrains.com first of all and download the IDE, which is the phpStrom. Okay, they are providing 13 days free trial. First of all, if you are a teacher or you are a student, just provide them the identity related with your organization. They will provide you the 1 year free trial. So it's totally depend upon you. Either you are downloading the crack version of phpStrom, or you are purchasing the license, or you are downloading the 13 days free trial, or you are providing the education your organizations, so they will provide you the 1 year free license. So this is the phpStrom. Hit this button. You can see free 13 days trial. Download. I am the Windows user, that's why I have to download this version. If you are working Mac inside your machine, so you have to download the Mac version. If you are working on Linux, then you have to download this version. On Ubuntu, you can see the Ubuntu. Okay, download this button. So you can see I am going to download the phpStrom. So they are saying, please, thank you for downloading phpStrom, please fill this form. Okay, this is downloading. I have already downloaded the phpStrom and I have already installed the phpStrom. Okay, so you can see this is the phpStrom, or I can find phpStrom because it's downloaded. Hit this button. So if you have 4 GB of RAM, or you have dual core or core to do or i3, so you have to download the Sublime as well, because the phpStrom is the heavyweight IDE, because this is the best IDE for the PHP programming. Okay, so now you can see I have opened a project named Bootstrap. So first of all, we have our htdocs folder inside our E directory. Then we have created the PHP folder inside our htdocs directory. Then we have some files inside our PHP directory. So now I'm saying file, open. I'm saying go to E drive. I have installed my server inside my E drive. So here is E drive. You can see here is the server. So this is the XAMPP server. Hit this button. So now you can see we have a htdocs folder. Hit this button. So now you can see we have some folders. php 4. You can ignore all of these folders you are concerned with PHP. So you can see we have created the PHP. So click on the PHP. You can say okay. I'm saying open in current window. Okay. So now you can see we have a folder PHP located at E drive server folder htdocs. So here is PHP. So this is the PHP folder, and make sure this is the project. So now inside the PHP folder we have only a single file named second.php, which we have created our previous lecture. So we have second.php file. Now how can you create your file? First of all, I am creating the file inside this PHP folder. Okay, you can see this folder name is the PHP, and you can see this is the PHP folder. And where is this PHP folder? You can see this PHP folder available inside the htdocs first of all. And where is the htdocs? The htdocs also available inside the server folder. And where is the server folder? The server folder also available inside my E drive. So you can see I have PC E drive. So here is your E drive. You can see here is the server. So this is the server folder. Inside the server folder we have a htdocs folder. So here is the htdocs folder, and inside the htdocs folder we have a PHP folder. So you can see we have a PHP folder. So the PHP folder is our project. Okay, inside our PHP folder you can see we have a single file named second. Okay, whenever I want to create the PHP file inside this folder, then I have to right click on this folder, new. In this time I'm saying for PHP file. So whenever you want to create the directory inside the PHP directory, you have to create the PHP directory. If I'm saying the PHP file, that means I'm going to create the PHP file inside the PHP directory. Okay, now in this time I'm saying index. So you don't need to write .php because the file extension is also the PHP. Okay, so I'm saying index. So you can see the phpStrom has created the file just for you. Okay, who created the file? phpStrom. Username Dell, because the username you can see my PC. Right click, properties. You can see the name of my PC is the Dell because I have logged in. You can see. Okay, if I say log out, I have logged in using this username. Okay, when created, this date, time, this time. So this is the Pakistani time. Okay, so now I'm saying echo. Okay, I'm saying echo. For now I'm saying hello world, or I'm saying hello world. So close the second.php file. Now you have index.php file. So what you need just call the PHP folder. The index.php file is automatically executed by the server. So hit the folder name. You can see the index.php file is automatically executed. You can see we have the second.php file also inside the PHP folder. But if you have thousands of files with index.php, your server automatically execute the index.php file first. If you want to execute the second.php file, so this is the second.php file, so you have to specify the second.php. Make sure .php is required. Whenever you write something without .php, your server consider that this is the folder. Okay, because this folder is not available inside this directory, so that's why it's saying object not found. For suppose you can create a directory name. Second, now refresh the page, you can see now it's working fine because you have created the second directory. Now I am deleting this directory because no need to create this directory. Okay, refresh the page, now it's saying object not found. So the .php is required whenever you want to access a particular file from the particular folder. So I hope you learned how your PHP editor works or phpStrom works. So this is the phpStrom environment. Whenever you want to create the file inside this PHP, right click file and then write the name of your file. Okay, so you have new project, you can create your new project. Okay, leave this. This is the basic series, I think this is enough for today. So because you are familiar with how can you upload the PHP folder from the htdocs by clicking the open folder. So you can see we have successfully uploaded first of all. Then how can you create your files, you already know. And in our later lectures we will cover each and everything which is required for this course, so don't worry about it. I'm going to explain each and everything from scratch. Why we are doing this, because this is the basic series, so that's why we are doing step by step, or we are teaching you step by step, so you can easily understand the overall environment of PHP. Okay, so I think this is enough. So in the next lecture we are going to learn the case sensitive and how can you comment your code. So thank you for watching.